much, do you? What'd you say?
Newt. My name's Newt.
Why don't you put her in charge?
You better just start dealing with it.
Welcome back to SMKR. This is Steve. Well, I'm back with another review. This time it is Newt A-Firmative bust. It's a quarter scale 3D printed resin kit from NY3D Creations. I'll put a link down below. They also have a Facebook group, and he also sells directly from his website, which is ny3dcreations.com, and eBay. So let me tell you a little bit about NY3D Creations. I've been buying a lot of their kits. They are very high quality, well printed, and NY3D Creations guarantees their product. So first off, let me just show you how your items will arrive in the mail. They come wrapped. It may not come in a box like this. It just all depends how he ships it out to you. It may come in just a plain brown box, but they are well protected in foam, taped up. Everything is well prepared. So let me show you, for example, this right here. Let me unwrap it. Everything is poly bagged in place, already cleaned for the most part. There might be a few supports left over on the parts, but it's ready to go pretty much. So that's just an example on how your parts would show up. Let me unwrap the rest of these and I'll show you the full kit. And this is how her face was protected, along with the microphone on the helmet. But this is the overall view of all the parts that came with this bust. There's a lot here. It's more than a bust. You actually have the upper torso, the arms, hands, this really cool stand, display stand. Details for the back of the helmet and some brackets. Let's look over the main details here first. Look over the torso. Fantastic there. Very detailed. Got her outfit down to a T. And the separate helmet. So you can choose to model her with the helmet on or the helmet off. And the other part of the helmet. Very cool. And of course, the head sculpt of Newt. Fantastic there. Love all the hair detail. Very nice. Let's look at the other parts. Next we have one of the arms, torn jacket. Very cool there. Separate hand, which represents a salute. The other arm, once again, same thing there. Holding a baby doll head. Very detailed there. And got the stand. Very detailed there. Very nice. Very cool. It's great. I'll go ahead and show you some photos of the assembled bust. I'll be right back. And there you go. That was a review of the quarter scale Newt affirmative from the movie Aliens. You can only pick this up from NY3D Creations. I put some links down below. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.